What's going on YouTube? So, doing this quick video, EVBase sent out these awesome running boards for the R1T, and they look great. As you can see, they're branded R1T, but I just wanted to show you how nice these things look and how durable they are. Also, I did have a company put them on because you can go ahead and remove the panels underneath to get these on, cut them and put them back, which I wanted done. So let's see if we can get under here and see a little bit of that. I wanted to stop the video and put some arrows pointing to not only where the cut marks are in the OEM panels, where the anchor points are attached to the vehicle as well as the running boards, but also where you can see the puck circles where you take that little panel off and you can put the jack puck where you can jack the vehicle up safely. Those are also not obstructed by anything to do with these running boards, so it's a foolproof operation. You'll be able to install the jack pucks, jack the vehicle up, as well as, yes, you can cut these panels very minimally and then place them back with the running boards on, which most people do not. They're not needed, the panels, but I find it to be a much better look underneath. Not that you're under there much, but hey, it does look better having the panels on. Probably not too well, but they definitely did go under and cut the panels, and they came out really nice. So, that being said, let's see a little bit of test on this. We're gonna go around to the driver's side. You can see it's branded awesomely. They are adjustable. You can go ahead and put them in or out about 1.5 inches. I have them out all the way. Me and my Crocs, I'm 315 pounds. I'm on them with both feet. No problem getting in. Great product. And so that's about it to this video. Really quick one. Just wanted to show you that these awesome running boards, how good they look, how strong they are. 315 pounds, they hold up to like 550. Great product. So go ahead and get yours today. Go to EVBase, use code JTheDev. Get like 25% off at this moment. Great deal. So like, share, do your thing. See you on the next one.